Hello dear students, I am your computer teacher from Golden Public School and this is your computer class. So as you know, today we will discuss our chapter number 2 which is understanding Windows 10. So without wasting any time, let's start. So Windows, as you can see, what is Windows? Windows is an operating system that acts as an interface between the user and hardware. It means, as you can see, user means the person who use the computer, and this is the operating system, and hardware means the computer. So it means, as we know, computer is a hardware. So to use our computer, to use this hardware, we need a operating system. So it works, operating system works as an interface between the user and the hardware, or we can say the user and the computer system. Done. So there are some examples of operating system. As you can see, this is a window, this is Linux, this is Mac, and this is Android. So our chapter is of Windows, so we will learn Windows, which is known as the one of the widely using operating system. Windows is one of the widely using operating system, or these are the example of operating system. So our chapter is of Windows 10. So what is Windows 10? So as we know, the development of advanced edition of Windows named as Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows NT, Windows 2003, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10, which is our chapter Windows 10. So Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows operating system, which was released on July 29, 2015. This is the important point. So Windows 10 is the latest version of Windows operating system and it was released on 29th July 2015. This is the important point. Done. And these all are some old versions of Windows. So as you can see, this is the interface of a Windows 10. Windows 10 screen looks like this. So as you can see, the complete screen, the whole screen is known as a desktop. This is called desktop screen. The small pictures are called icons. You can see a button. This is called start button. Open applications. While we open any application in Windows 10 or any other Windows, so the open apps shown on this tab. So this tab is called taskbar. This bar is called taskbar. So this is taskbar and we can see different application on the taskbar. So I hope the complete interface of Windows is clear. So now let's discuss icons. So icons, as you can see, this is of this PC icon. It gives you a view of the available drives and their contents stored on the computer system. By clicking on this PC icon, we can use our drive and their content. If we store any image or videos or any other application, so we can open the videos, photos or any other content by using this PC option. Next one is a recycle bin. So a recycle bin is a folder that holds the deleted files and folder. These deleted files and folders can it be restored to the original location. So basically, if we delete any file, folder, image or anything from our computer system, so the file or folder, deleted file or folder is stored in a recycle bin, or we can also restore the file or folder from the recycle bin. If we delete any file from our computer, it is stored in a recycle bin, and if we want to restore the file, then we can restore it again by the recycle bin. Next one is network. It allows you to access the shared file or devices on different computer in a network. It means the network is used to build a network between different devices. We can connect our computer with other computers with the help of network. Next and last is shortcut icon. A shortcut is an icon containing a direct route to a specific application. As you can see, this is the application of Google Chrome. We can also see different type of icons on our desktop screen, like MS Word, MS Excel, Paint or any other. As you can see, the icon of document or a folder, it has a small jump arrow on its lower left corner. As you can see, this is a arrow. This arrow indicates that the icon is a shortcut. So I hope it's clear. So today we discussed about the basic structure of a Windows 10. So that is it for today. Thank you so much, students.